Hi, I'm Jackie from Sony, and I'm so excited to share with you the latest addition to Sony headphones, the LinkBuds S, offering its user comfort, noise canceling, ambient sound, and versatility. The LinkBuds S is designed to be always on, weighing in at only 1/10 of a pound or 4.8 grams. The compact size and lightweight of the LinkBuds S allows them to be very comfortable. If you're an active person, the LinkBuds S are an awesome choice because they're both durable and sweat-proof with an IPX4 rating. With the LinkBuds S, you can disconnect from the outside world using noise canceling, or you can stay connected using our ambient sound mode. With the ambient sound mode, you're able to stay connected to the outside world and still enjoy your music. As you progress throughout your day, the LinkBuds S will adjust to your daily activities and recognize how you prefer your settings with the feature called Adaptive Sound Control. Sony's V1 integrated processor allows for low delay HD noise cancellation. Now, despite their small size, the LinkBuds S deliver powerful bass, crystal clear vocals, and rich mid-range sound. The LinkBuds S also has great audio format support, supporting high-resolution wireless audio for all the music fans out there, giving your music more depth and realism regardless of its source. The LinkBuds S also offer you better call quality using precise voice pickup technology. The LinkBuds S offer you a combined total of 20 hours of battery. It also offers you a quick charge of 5 minutes that will give you a playback time of up to 60 minutes. Available in both white and black, the LinkBuds S will surely become a great addition to your everyday life. I'm Jackie with Sony, and thank you for watching.